So you've got dull faded headlights. Well, you found the right video, because today I'm gonna make that look good as new. First off, you're gonna want some degreaser. I use Purple Power and an SOS or a Brillo pad. So you can see that took the orange off of it, but not quite shiny. So let's add some clear coat. So I'm not gonna bore you with watching me tape it up. So I taped it up real quick. You can add more, you can add towels, you can add sheets. I do this a lot all the time. So I kind of can do it real quick that way. But make sure your headlight is facing into the sun. And if it's even cool on cooler days below like 70 degrees, cut your headlights on high and get that plastic good and hot. It makes the process faster and better in the end results. So I'm using my normal clear coat from Duplicolor. I'm going to do one real quick coat and let it dry. Now with it being in the sun, that dries real fast, and to be honest, it may not pick up on camera. That actually looks really good compared to what it was, but now I'm going to go with another coat. And give that about 10 minutes to dry and clear in really good. Like I say, when you aim it in the sun like that, it helps so much more. So there you go. Nice headlight, good as new. Always remember, the original material gets dirty. This is gonna get dirty as well. This is not a once in lifetime fix it for all. Doesn't work that way. All that orangey, oily stuff comes out of the asphalt, off the roads. It's a common part of owning a vehicle. It just kind of happens. But here's a quick, easy way you can keep your headlights shiny as you need to, as you want to. If you go through car washes 5 times a week, yes, it's going to wear it off really fast. If you hand wash your vehicles like I do, it lasts a really long time. I think I do my headlights like once a year, if that. So anyway, can look good as new. A nice DIY trick for you to do for your headlights. Let me know how it works out for you. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time, guys.